Wangkhatlakli Khongzel da Yaurokpa da junk food Amadi HAKCHANG da Machi Oiroidaba Chinjak Channarakpana asina Aikhoigi Khunai da Cancer Laina Nabagi Chang Wangkhatlakli HAINA RIMS ki Director Professor G SUNILKUMAR na PHONGDORAKLI Wafam ase RIMS Imphal ge Swachhata Action Plan Committee na silaga Numit humni chupna chathagadaba Swachhata Students Camp Haudokpagi Thoramda Mahakna Phongdokibani RIMS ki Jubilee Hall da Pangthokpa Thoram aduda Professor G SUNILKUMAR na hai Hauzik Chawkhatlaba matam asida Aikhoigi Chinjak taso ahongba kaya laktaba natte Maroina junk food soft drink amade online dagi order tauba acha thakki potlam sing pak sanna chanari hariba Chinjak Shing asi Aikhoigi HAKCHANG da kanaba pibagi mahut punsi tenabagi machak ama oigani loinana cancer Laina Nabagi Chang su wangkhatlakani maram aduna yariba makhai yumda thongba thakpa Chinjak chanaba hotnabiu maroina hogatlakliba naha singda masigi hainabi asi thamba mathau tai amaromda hauzik asi climate change na pirakpa jaithing tapna phangba haurakli mamang chahi da ising ichau ani ahumrak thoktuna Miyam awaba fibam kaya mayoknakhi asigumba fibam ase makhatana thengnadanaba yariba makhai uwa thabagi hainabi thamse asang amangi area hengat hanba angamba thaudang lobagi matam oire asigumba thaurang ase haugatlakliba mirolna mapung oina Laurabadi soidana mai pakani masiga iroinana yariba makhai single use plastic sizinnadanaba hotnase thauranga se RIMS ki campus tasu chetnaba hokre adumakpo patient party ki maikai dage mapung fana mating piraktaba maramna RIMS ki security staff singa tatana ningai sangdanabasu thoktaba natte Numit humni chupna pangthokadoriba camp asida mahairoi sing thawai yauna saruk yabiyo camp asidage fanglakpa kanaba sing aduna khunai da ahongba ama puraknaba hotnase khunai asida karigumba ahongba khara purakpa haibasida ngasigi haugatlakliba mirolgi thaudang chawi khunai asigi yaifa thaurang isa dagi hauna pangthokke haibagi wakhalon laigadabani haina Professor G SUNILKUMAR na makhatana phongdokhi Thoramatuda RIMS ki Medical Superintendent Professor N Sanjeev Amadi RIMS ki Swachhata Action Plan ke Nodal Officer Professor Y Gobindaraj na President Member Singh oina saruk yakhi
Means we have a very good rainy sort of a climate here. Adu green cover kamani hengalhani natraga koigi means ngasi deforestation dagi akoigi leiba flood 24 da akoigi flood ahum mari rak thoki Manipur manungda adu mama amdu climate change effect ni adu kamani handani habasi asigi satwa singna maduda yam chawna contribute to way one way of doing that is planting trees aduna leiba mayam sina sahi amda umom thabiragadi how we going to change this mother earth adu so debate to you plastic free practice and hijack yaringe plastic free especially akoigi single use plastic chi yaringe sina dana bahona view then sustainable practices for a better environment then hygiene infection so means this particular 3 days camp I think can change how we live in this city maybe the whole the state and subsequently a compounding effect to the whole, not only India but to the whole Mother Earth. So I am very happy that we are doing this camp, and this particular camp is going to give an impact. I am very sure on that.